Hey guys, welcome to Chris Hansen Barbecue. Today we're going to be checking out this cool little gift I got for Christmas. Hope you guys don't mind my quarantine look. Let's get into it. Alright guys, so this is the SNS Travel Kettle. Now they made this to compete with Weber's, was it the Smoky Joe? I believe it's the same size, 18-inch, I believe, same size. However, there's definitely a price difference, and I'll show you why. I never had the Smoky Joe. I always wanted to get one, but for some reason, something told me to hold off. Anyway, glad I did. So, first things first. Taking a look at this, you got this great thermometer right here. Right here on your damper, you have this. It's like a hard plastic, you know, so you don't have to worry about burning your fingers. That's really cool. Now, the lid catch actually comes down. Or it goes up for traveling. So that's really cool. Right? When it's in use, it just goes down. Alright, let's see. What other cool things we got here? So, right here, I think the camera's picking it up. Alright, right here, you got a little hole. And that is really cool. That's actually a probe hole. So if you're cooking, you can put your probe right in there. I know with the kettle, I normally just run my wires right underneath the lid, which is probably really bad for the wires. I know some people, they drop it right through the top vent, you know, but this is really cool. You know, it's just a little door, opens up, closes. And let's see, in the front here, this is something I'm gonna have to get used to and try. You got what they call a smoke hole. This is to also help control the amount of air going in. This is really cool. I'm excited to try this out. But anyway, so yeah, you know, you got this good heat deflector. Weber does the same thing. Let's take it off. Let's start at the bottom here. So, as you can probably see, let me move the camera. You got the fan ash system. Okay. Now right here, the charcoal grate, this is really cool, I thought. This is ceramic coated. So it's definitely gonna last a lot longer. Very nice. All right. Then we got this heavy duty steel grate right here. One thing I like about it, it spins really easy. So slow ones here is the whole thing is 2 zones, you know. And you know, when it comes to grilling, barbecuing, you want your 2 zones. You're indirect, you're hot, you're cold. Boom. So this is really cool. You got meat here. Okay, we're gonna move it over here. Okay, take it on. You know, you don't have to worry about moving things around. You kind of just slide in the grate. Then on the other hand, half the grate comes up. So you got access, boom. How cool is that? That is definitely cool. Anyway, I elected to get this charcoal basket. Now I have something similar for one of my kettles, my Weber kettles, However, this looks like a water pan. It's not. It's actually, this is just another heat barrier. All right. So it's the charcoal basket. This isn't an actual water slot right here, as it might look like. But it's cool because it's definitely a heat barrier, which, you know, is going to help contain the heat the way you want it. This was extra. You could get it without, but I thought this was definitely something you want to have, you know, but it all depends what you're using it for. Me, I want to use this thing to the max. I want to have, I'm probably not going to be doing a full brisket on here because it's not going to fit, but I want every opportunity I can with this thing because this is just a beautiful little grill. And it's so small. I'm going to put this in the back of my truck probably, and, you know, whenever I need it, I just drop the tailgate and boom, there it is. So I'm super excited about this. But I think I covered everything. Yeah, I think I covered everything. This is really, really nice. I'm looking forward to the first cook. Now this is made out of just like porcelain coated, just like the Weber. This just has a couple extra things that I think Weber really needs to step up their game, because SNS, they're killing it with these features. It is definitely nice. So anyway, my first cook, I'm probably just gonna burn some charcoal in it, and you know, just make sure if there's any oil, little debris in there, you know, just from the manufacturing, you know, just burn the stuff off, you know, and we'll take it from there. But this is just so nice, and it comes with a little nice instruction booklet here. You know, if you're new to low and slow, or, you know, how to cook certain things on there. Alright guys, got finished product right here. I'm definitely pleased with this grill. For burgers at least. But we're going to keep experimenting and see what we can do next. Take care guys.